All right, I front loaded it. I put two more 45-pound plates on the front or from the back. I moved them from the back to the front because I've got the gap closed all the way, and if I close it anymore, the electronics won't fit. I lost the last shot, so I'm going to send a 10-pound cement ball. And yeah, we'll made a pin adjustment as well, so we'll see how it goes. Going to slow-mo. Hit. Ooh. That was big. That was huge. 3, 2, 1. Hit. Ooh. That was big. That was huge.